We are live. Welcome everyone. Welcome to Monday Night Live. Yeah. So my name is Cynthia and I'm doing WordPress tutorials here and Elementor tutorials, and I am live right now. Even my Apple Watch is telling me that I'm live. So welcome everyone. So today I'm gonna talk about landing pages. And I'm going to show you how to build them and how to make them. So, as I said, I use WordPress mainly. That is my tool of choice, and I use Elementor. But there are also other options. Elementor, the Pro version, it has some ready-made templates that you can create landing pages. But I have been trying another plugin, the free version. I think it has a pro version, but I went for the free version, and it is called 1 second, SeedProd. It's called SeedProd, yes. And I have been trying it. It has not just like landing pages. You can call it landing page. It has coming soon, maintenance mode, 404 pages. That is something good, actually. That is good. Sales, webinar, lead squeeze, thank you, login. Is everything available? Is everything for free? Seems like it. We're gonna take a look at it right away. Welcome once again. So my name is Cynthia, as you see here, yes. I go live 3 times a week, Mondays, today, Fridays and Sundays, and I talk about websites, WordPress. I talk about WordPress and how to do stuff with WordPress, how to learn. I'm teaching you how to learn WordPress, and I'm using Elementor a lot. You don't have to if you're just a beginner blogger. You don't need Elementor, but if you have it and you have questions, I can help you. Now, today, as I said, I'm going to focus on landing pages, because landing pages are important for our website. You know, it is a page that we want to use to attract visitors, to make them subscribe to our list. I have some notes here that I found them online, actually. So we're going to go through why someone needs a landing page. So do you have a product to sell? Do you have a freebie? Do you have you want people to subscribe to your newsletter? As I said, do you want to lead them to a digital product, a digital freebie? You want to sell something like a promotion, sales, like a seasonal promotion of if you have something on your store. Those are good options. Those are good reasons why one would need a landing page. A landing page, the difference between a landing page and a web page or your website is that it is very targeted to what you want to achieve. A website, a web page may have different elements, such as a menu, like images, text here, links here, many stuff, I'm just saying, I don't know, maybe it doesn't have much stuff, but usually it does have a lot of stuff. A landing page is something dedicated. I have made a landing page, which I'm going to show it to you, not because I want to lead you to that. You can of course visit it, but I want to show you the process, how I built it and what I was thinking. I'm not a designer. That's why I went to Elementor. It has some ready-made templates and I just fixed it a bit. So if we go to my website, this is my website, this is my website and my landing page. So I have a freebie. My freebie is a search engine optimization guide, and I want to use that, like, dear visitors, dear users, have my guide and subscribe to my list in order to get them. So I'm giving them something of value. I have some guidelines, explanations, what is SEO, how to do keyword research, stuff like that. It's a basic. Well, it's not that basic. It has a lot of things, but it's not a course or anything, but it's a guide that will help you, and it will explain, especially if you're a beginner in SEO, it explains the basic principles and the basic things that one needs to pay attention to. And to do that, I have made hi George, welcome. I have made a landing page for that, which is, let me see if I remember it correctly, free SEO guide. Yes. So it's loading. It is still loading. There it is. So this is my landing page. As you say, it is very simple, maybe too simple, but I like it as it is because I have the text that says what this landing page is about, which is, grab your SEO guide. I want you to get the guide, and I have some images to support that about search engine optimization. And here it is the form that people can write their emails, where I'm gathering, it's a way for me to build a mailing list. So I'm gathering the emails, and in order, to simplify it, why would someone give me their email address? Well, I give them something in return. Like, I give something, you give me something in return. So if someone is interested in SEO, I think that is it has a lot of value, that guide. So that is what I'm using. You can have whatever you want. You can have your own freebie. I might make something more, because right now this is what I have, but I need to make some more guides and freebies and things to offer for free. And below I have some my social media, and I have an image. I think I need to fix it. Speaking of, since we're here, let's go and edit it with Elementor. I need to give some air between my social media icons and the image below. So since I'm using Elementor, I'll just go in and I'm gonna edit it. And I'm just gonna go, and since I am here, I'm gonna show you how to make one using Elementor. So I'm just gonna give some like 20 pixels here on the bottom and padding, and 20 on top. Yeah, just some air, as I call it. And here, let's see how it works on mobile. Okay, this is the responsive version, and this is how it looks like. Oh, that image could look a bit better. Yeah, I think I need to change it. Let's change it together. Let's make it responsive. So what I would do is I would make them like on the mobile. How are they on the mobile? No, wrong button. Here they are. So if I go to responsive here, so what I will do on the desktop, I will hide this element here, this one. I'm gonna hide it on the tablet. The mobile was okay, so I'm gonna hide it on the tablet, and I'm gonna have a different one for the tablets. But the thing is that I don't want to hide actually the background. I just want to hide the two columns. So I'm gonna make a duplicate, and this as well. Bear with me, you will see where I'm going with this. And I'm going to do an inner section. Let's see. Actually, no. Where is it? Here. I'm going to make a new one. 2 columns. 2. Yes. So I'm going to take, I'm just going to drag and drop it here. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to drag and drop it here. Everything will be fixed soon enough. I'm gonna do, let's see, copy and paste style. Let's see if it takes it. Took something. Where did it go? We have so many columns here. I need to remove the columns. Delete and delete. Where is it? Delete there. So here I'm going to give a background. The background. Okay, look, where is it? Why doesn't it show style? It's the same background. Hover. Gradient. Oh, Okay. So let's go classic. Something went wrong when I did the drag and drop. You notice it? So I'm gonna fix it here. Let's go back. This one is hidden. This is supposed to be hidden also. Yes, it is hidden. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do, I did it the wrong way. Let's go one step back. Now, here we are. Okay, we want that. So this one, it can be fade, background size, default, auto, cover. Okay. That. There we are. No, not the 3000. I want the one that. There it is, 100. Yeah. So what I wanted to do is duplicate the whole thing. Now we're talking. So what will happen now is that this one, the main section, it can be visible. Nope. If I click that and I go to the advanced section, we go to responsive, and I want to hide that on tablet. So when I go tablet, it's hidden, you see, and I have only this one that I'm gonna work with. So if I go to desktop, I'm going to hide this one, and I'm going to hide it on desktop and on mobile. So let's see, we're good now. Yes, that's hidden, and we have it only on tablet. Because what I want to do is I'm gonna copy this, and I'm going to this one, spacer, no, edit. I'm gonna delete it, and instead of having it side by side where it was a bit too vertical, I'm going to add the gallery here or below, and I'm going to find those images that I just took. Oh, so many placeholders. What was it? Was this and this and this? Yes. Insert. And no, I want them to be it can be like that. Yeah. Image size large. So I mean, I want a different look for the iPad. So or could they be on top, maybe like this? Why not? Yeah. Or maybe no, under the title. Or I cannot take them under the title. I should be able to. Yeah. And give it some padding on the bottom, right, like this. And more. Yeah. Okay. And this one can be a bit bigger. Width. Whoops. Yeah. Let's make it like this for the iPad. That's good, looking good. Yeah. Maybe it's too much text here. Maybe I can, I don't know. It's okay that it is large texts font, but maybe I need to have it less. No, it's okay. And that's the desktop. Yeah. So I'm happy with that now. So that is how you make a landing page. Something has been going on wrong all day for you too. George, yeah. It's Monday, guys. It's Monday. That's what's going on. So now, okay, I'm happy with my landing page. This is the one I have been using, and since it is my own website, I can use the same template with some more different content for other purposes. How did I build that? I'm going to show you. Since I'm using Elementor, if you're using Elementor, that's how you do it. You go here once you start a new page, a clear new page, and you see here this little, where is it? Yes, you see the little folder symbol here on the bottom. So you click on that. And now you have templates from Elementor. If I search here for landing, just landing, it brings landing page. It has some suggestions already. Okay, so depending what you want to do, I mean, you have here, it says landing page, chiropractor, how do you say that? Chiropracticos in Greek. Chiropractor page, a mobile app. Maybe, you know, we're more familiar with those things. So this is a landing page. It doesn't have a menu. This is a very important characteristic of a landing page. It usually, and it shouldn't have a menu. And why? Like, it's not a part of your website. It's a standalone page. But of course you can link it somehow, but it doesn't need a menu because we don't want to distract people. We want to give them the message directly. So it's better if it's just an image with your message, like get the cheapest flights here, or get my SEO guide, or something better. I don't know. But it's better to have directly your message instead of having so many different options, because then it will not make people to convert, if I'm going to use marketing language, because we want them to click and do what we ask them to do. If we give them so many buttons and options, I mean, they will probably click on the menu to go navigate, browse a different page, probably. So this is a landing page. This is a template from Elementor. I mean, I haven't built it anything. It has some, here it has that, buy now. Okay, yeah. Try now, buy now. I mean, you can incorporate it if you have a WooCommerce, you know, put a link there and send them to your shopping cart directly from a landing page. And yeah, it doesn't have much. Simple. So you have something to sell, you can use that. You have something, you know, to promote, you can use that. Let's go back and find something else. The things that you have to write again, landing page, mobile app too. Oh, the battery on my mouse died. I need to put the cable. It's good that I have this one. So we have this, and that is another landing page. Never forget an idea again. This app does everything you can possibly blah blah blah, and it has buttons, and it has something, you know, call to action. Take the call to action here, get it, some information, and that's it. That's it. As you see, no menu as well. So that is how you can make a landing page. I mean, you can just pick something from here. Let's try something else. Let's see something else. Drag and drop design. This one here. I have used that in the past. Summer. Okay, this one. I mean, if you have some sort of, you are in the tourism industry, maybe you can use that summertime, vacation time. You need people to send inquiries to you. That is a nice landing page. It has some packages here. So I guess that is suitable for like a bigger website with some packages, a travel site, something like that. So you get the idea. So here you don't have to think about anything. You just pick something. You can pick something and you can edit. Let me just pick something. I'm just gonna get something. Let's get, which one are we going to get? Let's get this one. Okay, another mobile something. Yes. That you can drag. It says drag, drop design. It's some sort of app apparently. Yeah. With some information. So if I insert it, I'm gonna insert it. I'm gonna pretend I have an empty page. I don't, but I'm gonna put it anyway. And while I'm waiting for it, I'm gonna drink some water. And once I show you how this works, we're gonna go to my other website and take a look at another plugin that's called SeedProd. See what options we have there. It's the light version, the free version, and it has some ready-made things as far as I could see. It was interesting as well. It's loading. And also I have started to use SendFox for my mailing list, my miniature mailing list, which I'm trying to build. I don't spam, so if you want to subscribe, let me see, where am I? If you want to subscribe, go to my website, accessdesigns.se, where you can subscribe to my mailing list. I don't spam, I don't send so many emails, so you're fine. You will not get bombarded by emails. I'm sending occasional updates, important information, or if I have something interesting to say or offer, you will get that. But I don't do it very often, so I don't spam. That's the bottom line. So I go back here and I remove that as well. Yes, so here it is now. The whole layout is here, but as you see, everything is something that I can edit. So these are images. This is text, ready-made title. I mean, you can just write whatever you want. I like it. This is an image, like a transparent, or just, it is a transparent, some sort of image. And we have the same background as the one that I have on top, which is made, it uses a gradient, and it has the shape divider. It's using none. How is it doing that thing? The waves. This is very border. Is that the border? No, background. So it's using second color location. That is the angle here. Okay, so if I move that, no, that's the angle of the gradient. Okay, I learned that too. So we can change the color, but the border. Wait, shape divider. Top, the bottom. Yeah, pyramids. That is what it is. Exactly, the bottom. So this is a shape divider, and we have clouds, a drop-down menu. So you can select. So we have the mountains here. We have drops. So you go to shape divider. Top creates something on top. You see? I'm just showing you. And bottom creates that thing on the bottom of the section. So what was it? It was the pyramids here. Yes, and you can edit, the width, the height. Yeah, I mean, you can play around with it. It's a nice layout, and you can use your own font, if you have a certain brand font for your brand, your own colors, you can change the colors, but you can keep, like the structure of it. And maybe you don't need all of those. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like boxes with information. Maybe you need 2. So yeah, it is a nice. It's a nice one. I'm just gonna remove it now though, because I don't want it. So that is how you create a landing page on Elementor. Now let's see. Let's go to my other website. Thank you for not spamming, Alice. Yes, you're welcome. So yeah. So this is my other website, which I used to. Coming soon, our maintenance page needs to be set up. What did I do? Did I click I did click something while I was trying to. Okay, probably I did, or not. I am confused now. Or is there did I do some updates? Anyway. Wait. Why is this happening? George, what is happening? George? Okay, I'm gonna do the updates. I mean, even if I did the maintain, I selected the maintenance. Did I select the maintenance template from that SeedProd? Did I? I did. I did do that. Now you're telling me to go to File Manager, right? There's no way to go to File Manager because I don't even remember where this website is hosted. I think it is on papaki.gr. I think, yeah, I know what you're thinking. I don't think it's that. I think it's that I was playing around with that plugin, and I selected something. It was working before. It's still error. Okay. You're coming soon on maintenance. Let's see. I'm going to go to SeedProd because I think that is where the error is. And I'm gonna, this is what's causing the problem. I'm pretty much certain that this is coming soon. Okay. Well, I have activated the coming soon mode. What did you expect? Let me try again. Exactly. Yes, I did activate coming soon or whatever did I activate. So of course the website was not working. Don't do that. Don't do that. But SeedProd, you know SeedProd. Yes, I mean, it's a nice plugin. It's a cool plugin. It has many possibilities. But the reason why I downloaded and installed it is because it has also landing pages. So here we are. I have installed it here. So SeedProd pages, templates. What are the templates? Let's browse a bit the options the plugin has. All templates, favorite templates, saved templates. So okay, you have a few free options like the blank template, simple coming soon, maintenance mode. We are coming soon here with a rocket that is free. So up those here without the red badge, subscribe above to unlock, those are free. So okay, you have something. Let's see, let's go to pages. Pro version is cooler. I'm sure it is. But okay, let's say we're on a budget. We are on a budget and we don't have any budget. So we just need something free. Let's see. Let's add a new landing page. See what we have to work with here. So it is the same. Okay, add a new page template. So I think what we could use for now is the fitness sales page if we're going to build a landing page for something we want to sell, to offer. So let's say also the coming soon. We go with the fitness sales page. It doesn't matter if you are fitness or not. The idea is to get something that we can adjust and tweak it and fix it for our purposes. So my landing page name goes here. Let's see, my freebie. Let's call it my freebie, and it creates a page which is on your domain name / the name of your page. So we call it my freebie. Save and start editing the page. Let's see what happens. So we have a template. And I haven't installed, it's not Elementor or anything, but it's similar, like it has buttons or similar to some sort of UX editor. So here we have an image. Yeah. If you click on the outer here where the white circle is, this is the outer section. You can change the picture. I have so many demo pictures here. Let's get this one. Just a bit as an example. So here you can change the picture, you can write here you have the text, which I can write subscribe to our newsletter. I'm not saying that this is a good title to have like on your hero image. You need something better, but I'm just writing something to show you how you can edit it. So George is coding while you're watching. Nice. So, and here we have, we're looking for 10 people to transform. Okay. So, okay, you have something, a layout that you can use for your own purposes. And you have some boxes here. When I say boxes, like sections with titles, with text, with images. And here you have a click to button. And here on the side, you should be able to, this is the button. You should have, yes, this is the link. So here you can write the URL for where you want people to go. It could be a link to your mailing list. Like subscribe. And if you're using, for instance, SendFolks or MailChimp or whatever mail service provider, newsletter provider, you can put the link there. And yeah, or drag a new block here. I mean, yeah, you can create more also. You can choose a layout. Okay, so if you are creative, I'm gonna delete it. You can select something. It is similar to Elementor, right? I mean, yeah. But that's a good thing, because for me it's similar, it's familiar, I can work with it. And here you can have like a section, you can add here, you can drag if you want. I don't have the mouse now. You see here you have a heading, you can add, you can have text, and you can put on those three sections here on the bottom if you want text, image, button, whatever. I mean, you can just build it if you know how to do it, if you want to do it. If you don't, and even if you don't know, I think it's kind of easy. Just drag and drop, or just take this one and rewrite all the text. And I think here it has a color. What is it? It should be background color. Yeah, the background color of the whole section. Okay, let's leave it white. This might look like how do you change this one? This has, yeah, this one. You need to click on that blue here symbol, like to select this section. It's not that hard to locate which section is where. So I'm gonna make it green just to show you, yeah. And here you can preview it. Oh, it's amazing, a piece of art, right? Nice. And that is how you make a landing page. Well, if you're using WordPress, I mean, one can argue that you can create a page also, a standalone page on WordPress, and you just write something very simple. With Gutenberg, maybe you could be able to do it, but I haven't been using it so much. But on WordPress, you will have the menu, and we don't want the menu. So we want something specific for landing pages. So that's how you do it. Now, if you bear with me for a second, I found a nice article from HubSpot. HubSpot is very nice. It's very good. It has a lot of resources, and I do recommend it if you want to learn about, I don't know, many things. Here, for instance, they have why one would need a landing page, and they have it in a nice manner. I mean, yeah. So let me just tell you a few reasons why you would want to use a landing page. So it says here, ebooks and white papers. You have an ebook you want to share, you can just create a link for your ebook. Where do you have it? And create a landing page. Email, newsletter, subscription, which is the most common. It has, online course enrollment. You have a course, you want to attract people, you want to have the landing page. You write, follow me, or like subscribe, or follow this link to subscribe or to enroll to my course. Yeah. You want to have an event registration. Yeah. A free trial of a product, community membership. I wouldn't know how that would work, maybe like making it invitation only. Okay, yeah. You can have an app download. I mean, yeah. And those are reasons or things you would need a landing page. And to measure also conversions. Conversion is when someone is completing the action that it is on the landing page. Yeah, this is how you can make a landing page. I hope I helped you. I hope I explained it for you in a nice manner. Do you have questions around about Elementor, how to make a landing page? There are also many templates that one can purchase, theme forest or whatever. I don't know. So many things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little short tutorial. I'm gonna wrap things up here. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions around this subject. If you have made a successful landing page and you want to share it with us, please go ahead, you can share it on the comments. And if you don't follow yet, follow me here on YouTube. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, everything. You know the drill. If you're watching on Facebook as well, like and follow the page and subscribe if you're on YouTube. You know the drill. And the bell, click the bell so you get the notifications for when I go live, everything. Thank you, George, always for your support. Thank you so much for joining, and Alice for watching, participating in the live show. Also, don't forget, we shouldn't forget, join us at the Creators Guild app if you're an aspiring content creator. George, I'm waiting for you over there because you have started to create videos as well. If you want help with Divi, put your link, please, so people can find your tutorials. George is making tutorials about Divi. And if you want to start vlogging, streaming, whatever, and you don't know exactly how and where to start, join us. Here below. Creatortoolkit.com. It's made by David Foster, the Impartial Geek. He has put together a free course, so make sure to go there and visit the link and follow all of his social media to participate on the live streams there as well. Now, you couldn't remember the link. Yeah, this is the link. Yes, go there. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for participating, George and Alice and everyone who has been watching. And I will see you on Friday on the next live show. Okay, see you around. Have a nice week. Bye-bye.